Hello, my name is Jordan McComick. I live in Midland, Texas, and have my whole life. Um, I currently have one son that will turn 2 this summer, and I'm expecting another little boy. Um, I graduated from the school district that I work for right now, Greenwood ISD, and then I moved off to College Rodeo for Cisco College on a rodeo scholarship. I came back home and finished my teaching degree with Sul Ross, and I am currently now working on my master's degree with UTPB. I am on the diagnostician track for my master's program. Once I complete my master's, I'm hoping to be able to work within my district as a diagnostician, as we have a high need. Around here, we have several students that need testing and services within our district, so each campus has one. Some of them could probably use two. My experience in education, this is my 5th year working at Greenwood. My first 2 years while I was completing my bachelor's degree, I was an educational aide in a self-contained classroom. And then the past 3 years, I've taken over the role as the teacher, as a self-contained teacher. So I was mentored by another teacher, and as soon as I graduated, she retired, and I took the place of her. And this is my 5th year here in the self-contained class. So I've had lots of experience working with special needs kids and working with diags and all the things that go with it. So I'm excited about all of that. What superhero I would pick? I would probably pick Superman, just because Superman is strong and can fly. I think that would be really cool. And I feel like I often have to ask my husband for help lifting heavy objects, and I hate doing that. I'm a person that likes to be independent and do my own thing. So I think being Superman would be cool.